Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is fifth video for hotel management system in Laravel. In this video, we are going to work in the model and migrations. So I have defined the four tasks for this video. The first task is we will define the database connectivity. Then we will create the two models and migrations. One is room type and another is room. We will save the room according to the room type. So we will define the model relationship and specifically we will define the belongs to relationship between the room type and room model. Okay, so we will learn room model and migrations in this video. So let's start to do this. The first thing we need to do, define the database connectivity. So here I have opened my PHP myadmin and I have created this tape I have created this database. Okay, and now I will open my I'll go to the root and I will open the .env file, and here you need to find the db underscore database, db underscore username and password. You need to put the database name, username and password. So by default local username is root and password is empty. Okay, so in this way we can connect with the database. Okay, the second thing we are going to do is to define the room type model and migration. Okay, so let's define this via command line. So I will run php artisan make model room type with minus, with not minus, I will say hyphen m flag. So this will create the migration. Okay, so via model we can perform the database operations, and the migration is basically a structure of our table. Okay, so every model belongs to a single table. Okay, so now the if you go to the app and if you go to the models folder, here you have a room type model, and if you open this then it will extend, it is extending the base model. Okay, so we are not going to do anything in this room type model. We will close this, then we will open our migration file that is exist in the database migrations. So I will open this create room type table. In this we have two methods, up and down. In the up method we will define the structure with the data type, and in the down method Laravel defined that if we run the down method, if we run the drop or down method, then it will drop the room types table. Okay, so the table name is the table name will be created room types. Okay, it automatically adds the underscore if you add the camel case name in the model. Okay, so here they have default two fields, the id, the primary key and the timestamp. Okay, so I will show you that what it timestamp will do. By default the column name of this field id is id. Okay, so now I will create the another column. So I will use the method string. You can see the list of methods if you go to the date, if you go to the laravel.com. Okay, and if you go to the migration, here is a list of methods. Okay, you can learn, you can follow the proper documentation, and you can define the migration. Okay, so I will add string. So I will add title, room type title, and I will add some detail. So I will use text. Okay, because this will make a varchar and this will make a text field. So text field has obviously some more length of character. Okay, so I'm using the text field. Now I have created the structure. Now I'll go to the command line and I'll just simply run php artisan migrate. Okay, so this will create the tables in the database. So I have created only one, but it has migrated the multiple table, because when we install the Laravel, it comes with the by default users table and password and some failed from some jobs table, that what it is doing in the migrations. It keeps record of the migrations. Okay, so if you refresh the database, then they have five tables. This is one is R, and another are the comes with the Laravel. Okay, so if you go to the room types, and we have ID, title, detail, and these two fields are created by timestamp method. Okay, this method. Okay, so we have successfully created the model and we have successfully created the migration. Now it's time to create the room model and migration. So without you can practice to yourself that how you can create the room model and what is the command for room model and migration. Okay, so please add your command in the comment box of this video. That was it. What is the command for the creating the room model and migration? Okay, php artisan make model room. Okay, and I will create m for migration. Now I will go to the room migration. Okay, and here I will define the I will define the title. We just need the title. We just need the room name. Okay, this will be string and title will be here. Okay, fine. This will be title. Okay, now we will run the migrate command. So now I'll go to the database and refresh the database. So we have rooms. Okay, so we have two model and two migrations now, and we have learned that how we can create that. Okay, so let's define the relationship. We will use the relationship in our upcoming videos, but now I will show you that how we can define that. So I will go to the app and I will go to the models and I'll go to the room. Okay, so why I'm in the room, let's see. So function, and let's say room type return dollar this belongs to, because this rooms belongs to room type, this room should belongs to room type. So I will add here room type class. Okay, okay, so this will automatically add the, this will automatically assume that I have added the in the room type. Okay, so here we have missed one thing, that we need to add here the room type ID. Okay, we need to add here the room type ID. So let's create this room type ID. Okay, so let's add the one more column to the room, because we need to define the room type ID in this column with the foreign relationship. Okay, without this room type foreign key, we can't define the relationship belongs to. Okay, so how we can do that? So this is the also a learning thing, that how we can add the column in existing migration. So simply you can run php artisan make migration. Here you can see that I have added the, here we will add room type ID to the table name. Okay, the table name is room types. Okay, and here we will define the table name also. The table is room type. Okay, not room types, it's a room, it's only rooms. Okay, so this will, what it will do, let's see. So when I will enter this, it will create the migration, actually not migration, it will create the migration file. So here we have, and here we will add the, here we will add the dollar table, sorry, dollar table, and here we will add integer, and in this we will add the room type ID. Okay, here we will add the room type ID. Okay, so now let's migrate this PHP artisan migrate. Okay, so now let's go to the rooms model, refresh this. So now we have a room type ID. Okay, so now we can define the relationship. So where we are, we were in the room.php model file. So here we can define the room type relationship, and we will add the foreign key room type ID. Okay, so here we will define the foreign key. If your foreign key is the name of the table like this, like the table name and the underscore ID, then it will automatically assume that. But we have defined the room type ID is different from the table name, so that I have added here. Okay, so now we have defined the relationship. In the upcoming videos I will show you that how we can show the data according to the relationship. Okay, so in this video I have performed all these 4 tasks. I hope you understand all the things. If you have any query, any doubt, then please add in the comment box. Okay, and please like, share, subscribe this channel. Please like this video. Please, I request you to like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.